In this video, I'll show you how you can fix low microphone volume. The first step is you want to come down here and right click on your speakers and open up sounds. Then you want to head to recording, and in here you should see your microphone. Now the microphone that's moving out here when you're speaking is the microphone that you want to use as your default device. So make sure you select it and press set default. After that, go to properties, levels, and in here you can change how much volume you want the microphone to have. So I have just mine here and this is perfect for me, but if yours is too low, that might cause the issue. Now the second option is also you want to check on your microphone in real life and check if it has a volume button that you can turn up and down. Now if this still doesn't work, come here and search for device manager. In here what you want to do is look for audio inputs and outputs, and you should have your microphone in here. You want to right click on your microphone and update the driver, search automatically, and make sure you have the best driver. After that, what you also should do is check if your microphone comes with a software. In my case, you can just Google your microphone name and check if it has a software. So in my case, it's the Logitech G Hub, so I suggest installing the software if you have one. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.